In this video, I will show you how you can duplicate an Airbnb listing. Try and do this from a computer. Airbnb phone app will not let you do this. This is only available on the website. Once you're logged into Airbnb, you need to be on your hosting dashboard. You can just simply click on switch to hosting if you're not there. And once you're on your hosting dashboard, just click on menu. And the fourth option you will see is create a new listing. Click on that. At that point, if you already have an existing listing in your account, you will see this option, which is to duplicate an existing listing. Click on that. And then it will let you choose the existing listing. And here it will ask you whether you want to copy the photos as well, depending on what you want to do. In my case, I want to copy the photos as well, so I will choose that option. And at this point, about 90% of the old listing is copied into the new one. There are a few things you will still need to go in and correct. For example, cleaning fee, some of the pricing settings, and some of the amenities are not copied over to the new listing, but a vast majority of it does get copied over. It will ask you to enter the name. It will not copy the name, but you can just simply keep clicking next, and it will just copy the entire details of the property, including the address. Just keep clicking next. You can see it has already copied some of the amenities of your property, but these are not all the amenities you can choose, but majority of them it does copy. It has copied over the photos as well, and this is a really cool feature Airbnb has added recently. It is very easy to miss. This option is only available when you're creating a new listing. They're suggesting that let them put the photos in the order which Airbnb thinks is the right arrangement for your photos. I try and always choose this option. So click on try it, and it is now copying over the right photos, which it believes are most colorful at the top with the highest resolution. They all go at the top. Click on next. And this is where you will need to write the new title. It will not copy over the title and the description. All those things you will still need to copy. So I will just write amazing new house. This is just an example, although this is not the right title I would like to put for a property. And then you can choose what kind of space it is, and it will prompt you to write a description. Just click next. Remember, once you have published the listing, you will see a lot more details to fill in. So this is always a good practice, I believe, is just publish the listing with all the minimum details. But once it is published, unlist it and then start working on populating all the details, because on that screen, once the listing is published, you will get a lot more details to populate. It is suggesting a price as well, but I'm using dynamic pricing, so I will not bother about it at this point. Now, this is discounts option. You can add 10-20% for weekly and monthly discount, as well as you can offer 20% discount for new listing, which will be offered to first 3 bookings of your property. Be very careful. You will not get another option to turn this 20% discount off. So make your mind what you want to do. I try and not offer this discount, so I'll just click on next. And then it will prompt you whether you have any security device or dangerous animals, things like that. And then publish. This is where Airbnb has copied about 90% of your existing listing. And you can see this is the new listing we've just created, which is exact copy of the old listing. It does the heavy lifting, and all you need to do is just go in and populate the listing title, the description, pricing, cleaning fee, and just review all the amenities, and you will have the new listing ready to go live straight away after that. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. I would also like to highlight I've recently launched my no-nonsense Airbnb training program. If that is something you are looking for, please do check that out. I will leave a link in the description below. Until next time, bye-bye.